In this video, I'm going to show you the swing trading indicators that are my private indicator, and you will love the method because they provide you with the accurate swings. Like you can see, this is the Euro AUD 15-minute chart, and you can see we have the drop from the bank selling order. So this is the first indicator, and then I'm going to review the second indicator as well. So moreover, subscribers, if you're looking to join the best broker, I have given the broker link in the description of this video below, and you can join the best broker that I am using from 2015. The good thing, they offer you MT4 and MT5 accounts as well, and you can trade crypto, you can trade forex with this broker, and this is one of the regulated brokers with a good deposit and the withdrawal methods. Okay guys, so we were talking about the indicators. So as you can see, we have the straightforward rejection from the bank selling order, and plus the second thing about this indicator is when the market closes below the dotted green line, it's a rejection. It's a rejection. It means that you need to sell, you don't need to buy. And if the market closes above the dotted red line, it will be a buy signal. But right now, in that case, you can see the price is moving below the dotted green line. Okay, so let's have a look on different pairs. Okay, so for example, we have the rejection on gold 15-minute. As you can see, already the price went down. Okay, here you can just look at this example. The price pushed below the dotted green line. It was a selling zone for you. And if you just look at the yesterday activity, what it was doing on gold, all time the market was closing below the dotted green line. So there was only sell on gold yesterday as per my indicator. So first of all, how you can book the lifetime version of this indicator, this is very important. You can just contact on Telegram. The link is provided in the description of this video below, and I will provide you the lifetime version of this indicator. You can see this is the Great Britain Pound USD chart, and you can see right from the bank selling order, plus we have the dotted red line. So when the dotted red line comes with the bank selling order, so these type of areas becomes very strong, and you can see a forward rejection into the downward side. And as you have seen that this candle was able to close above the dotted red line, so it was a buy signal. So this indicator plots you with the variety of methods to trade. Like you can see this candle closes below the dotted green line, it was a clear sell. So this indicator will provide you with a high profitability, and you can definitely grow your account just within 3 days. Like if you just have a look on Euro USD, what happened right now, you can see from the bank selling order and the dotted red line, we have the straightforward rejection. The price is down. And if we talk about the yesterday trading, the price went up from the bank buying level, and now you can see it targeted the next bank selling order. So these type of indicators are very powerful to trade. Okay, and I can show you more examples. Like if you just look at here, it has received the rejection on AUD CHF, and even on AUD USD you have received the rejection. So you can book the lifetime version of this indicator by contacting on Telegram. Now we are going to talk about the other indicator that works for the swing trading, that is called Swing Trading Guru. So if we talk about the Swing Trading Guru, then let's see what's the signal is about, because this indicator is purely based on the swing. Okay, now you can see there was only one signal yesterday that was bearish on gold 5-minute. So this indicator works very well on the 5-minute. So you can see it has provided you with a bearish swing ride, and now we do not have even a single buy signal so far. So this indicator is widely used for the swing trading. You can see this is the bullish signal. The price already went up. Bearish, price went down. Bullish, price went up. Now let me show you its magic, that bearish, price down, bullish, price up, bullish, price up. You can see this indicator is doing wonders. I'm also providing the lifetime version of this indicator as well. So for the booking of the lifetime version of this indicator, you can also contact on Telegram. You can see a bullish signal, bearish, both have been successful. Okay, so bearish signal went successful here. You can see on USD CAD. Look, I'm not cherry picking my chart. You can see a bearish signal just supplied on Euro AUD. A bullish was before, and let's have a look before Euro CAD. You can see the price is up. Okay, and this indicator never reprints. You can see that how is it possible that you will not be able to make money? Just look at this. That was the bearish signal, price is way down. Bullish signal, price is way up. So guys, these are the powerful indicators. You cannot find such type of results in the free indicators. You can see bullish signal here, you can see prices up, and bearish prices down. So guys, what do you need else? Let's have a look on Bank Nifty today. If you look at Bank Nifty, there was a bullish signal, prices straightforward up. Let's have a look on Nifty. Bullish signal, prices up, previous was bearish, you can see prices down. Let's have a look on US 30. US 30 bullish signal is on the way, bearish worked, so everything is working. It means that this indicator is very, very, very powerful. Okay, if you are a swing trader, then this indicator is for you, and it can fill your matter traders with highly profits. Yes, you need to use with some judgments as well, because sometimes the signals are not good, because you can see that was the bullish signal but the price is reversed. So if you are going to cut your position here, then you will need to enter into the bearish, and you can see the price is down. Okay, so if we overall judge this indicator, this is very powerful, and you can take the maximum benefit by using this indicator. So if you want to book the lifetime version of this indicator, then please contact on Telegram. The link is provided in the description of this video below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share.